Let's talk about the capital city of India, Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi is a unique territory in India. It holds both the status of a city and a union territory, which is governed by both the autonomous government as well as the central government. Delhi has its own legislative assembly where the head of the government is the chief minister of the state, and it is also under the jurisdiction of the central government where the representative is the lieutenant governor. Delhi has its economic contribution in the industries like information technology, telecom industry, real estate, tourism, trade and commerce. Delhi has one of the strongest transportation system in the country with an advanced system of Delhi Metro, buses, autos and taxis. Its international airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, connect all the major cities in the world to the country. Delhi is also home to a rich historical and cultural heritage like India Gate, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Humayun Tomb, Akshardham and many more. In history, Delhi played an important role like the first independent Islamic kingdom of India, the Delhi Sultanate, which was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak, was established in the land of Delhi as its capital. Later, Babur took over the territory and established the Mughal Empire in India with Agra and Delhi as its major capital. In 1912, the British King George V shifted the capital of British India from Calcutta to Delhi, and since then, the Delhi has been the capital of the nation.